Hi guys, and first of all, thank you for picking up Videze through my link. Now, in this tutorial, I'm going to be talking to you about how to set up a Videze website so that you can sell your services directly from Google. So if you just type in animated video intro. Okay. So you can see there's quite a few results here. But because we have YouTube on the first page, we have some videos on the first page, it means it's not really going to be too difficult to rank for. So what I'm thinking here is make a video site, make a video out of all of the demos that's already on Videze. So it shouldn't be too difficult to do. So I'm gonna run through this tutorial pretty quickly. Okay, so if you get stuck, then you'll need to pause the video and go back. Okay, because I'm gonna race through it. But this is what you do. So let me just see how much some of these guys are charging. Okay, so some of the something like this. Okay. Now, obviously, you'll need to pay for this, and it's $9. So it won't be as intricate as this, but it'll be the same kind of idea. So what you need to do here, the first thing is go to a hosting company because we're going to search for domain names. So I just use GoDaddy. This is the hosting company that I use. We're just going to click on domains, and we're going to go for domain name search. Now, we need to have the keyword in our domain name, really. So think about what people are going to be searching for. There's tools that you can use to do this. There's the AdWords tool. Let me just show you what that looks like. You need an AdWords account, obviously. So just go to adwords.google.com, register, sign up for an account, and you just go to the little spanner thing here, go to the keyword planner. Okay, so we're going to be typing in. Why does it look different here? Let me just check this again. Yeah, okay. Animated video intro. Okay. So let's see what it comes up with. Video intro animation, intro maker, YouTube intro maker. Okay, and see some of these searches are pretty high, but we need something that's targeted. So, and we don't want anything with free in it because obviously people are going to be paying for it. Okay, let's sort by average monthly searches. Okay, YouTube intro maker. Let's see what domains will come up from this. Let's paste that in there. Let's see what's going to come up. Right, so .com is taken. What else have we got here? YouTube intro makers.com. That might be a good one. Okay. YouTube intro maker.net. I'd usually go with the .coms if you can. Let's see if we can put some hyphens in here and see if that is available. Yes, it is. $12.17. So buy a domain, okay, buy some hosting, obviously. Set it up with WordPress on there, okay. Next thing you're going to do is go to Fiverr and you're going to search for Thrive themes. Okay, and what this is, it's a premium plugin that's going to allow you, it's a page builder plugin basically, so it's going to allow you to build some really nice looking pages pretty easily. Now there's a guy on here that I usually use that's called WordPress Design. Thrive Content, let's try that one. Can't seem to find him. Thrive Leads, let's try that. Oh, let's just try Thrive. Right, I can't find the exact guy, but any of these guys, what they're going to do is they're going to install this plugin on your site, and that's going to allow you to use it. So once you've got that installed on your site, it'll take around 24 hours. And don't go for the expensive ones. Just go for the $5 ones. That'll be fine, because all you need is for them to install it on there, and I'll show you how to do the rest. So build a website with your Thrive thing. Okay, it might not be that one, because I think he's expecting you to have Thrive on there. But yeah, just have a look and find somebody who will install Thrive and on your site. Okay, usually it's around $5. Don't go for any of the expensive ones. Okay, once you've done that, your website will have a Thrive dashboard, or it should have Thrive in there. So you're going to go to Pages, and you're going to add a new page. Okay, and we're just going to call it, what was the domain name that we got? I've closed. Oh, there it is. Okay, we're just going to make this the home page actually. So we're just going to type home in there, but I've already got a home page. So you're going to type home in there. Okay, when you've done that, just click on publish. Okay, next go to edit with Thrive Content Builder. I'll just wait for it to finish loading up. Right, it's done its thing. Edit with Thrive Content Builder. Okay, just wait for it to load up. Probably taking a little bit of time because I am streaming this tutorial as well. So, and I'm sure the weather's not helping. Okay, let me just try this again. I'm just going to update it. See if it's going to work any quicker. My internet connection's actually been playing up today, so that might be one of the reasons why it isn't working properly. I had the technicians in earlier on, trying to get it all fixed. Come on. Okay, tell you what. Here we go. Okay, cool. Right, so the next thing you need to do is go over here on this little drop-down menu and click on Choose Landing Page. Right, and the one that we're going to be using is one that has a lot of videos on there. So this one looks good. This is one that I use on my membership site as well, my free training membership site. Not a membership site, just my free training site. Yeah, I think that would be the one to go for. Okay, so I've checked it. I'm just going to load it up now. And this will totally change the look and feel of our whole site, which is cool. Now, I'm not obviously going to spend a lot of time doing this, and you will need to spend quite a bit of time doing this to make it look nice. So just waiting for it to load up. Okay, don't worry, this is my connection, so I'm sure it's not going to be this slow when you actually do it. It usually loads pretty fast. Never taken this long before, but just got to be patient. Okay, let me try refreshing it. Okay, I'm going to start again. I'm going to try it one more time. Okay, I'm going to fire this up on one of my other accounts as well. See if that is any faster. Ah, okay, cool. So it's loaded up. So what you'll need to do is put your logo in here. So you can change that just by clicking on it and click on change image. Put a different image in there. Obviously put a title in there. You could put a main video in here. Now they're all hosted on YouTube. So what you would need to do is you need to go inside of Videze. Okay, and then for all of these videos, you would need to click on them. Sorry, where are we? Projects. Okay, you would need to make a basic project from every one of these. All right, just leave everything as default and download every single one of these and then upload them to YouTube. Okay, once you've done that, you go back to your page and you would enter the YouTube URL inside of there. Okay, now for these here, you'd need to, for each one of these, you need to come down here where it says responsive video, just drag it inside there. Okay, again, just go and grab the YouTube URL for each one of these videos. Okay, and just drop it in there. Hide related videos, auto hide logo, auto hide video title bar. Okay, now you need to come up, you need to write the name of each one of them there. Okay, and then now if you click on this main bit here, right? Okay, you could just put something like buy this or buy now or whatever, you know, just have some kind of call to action. Center it. And then actually, no, a better call to action would be view. Okay. Now, when you hover over this main panel here and you click on it and then click on event manager. Okay, now what this is going to do, it's going to allow you to make a light box, and I'll show you what one of these does in a second. So you're going to click on, you're going to select click, and you're going to click on Open Thrive Lightbox, and then you're going to go generate new landing page lightbox. Okay, click here to edit. Right, it's going to open up a new page, but don't worry too much about that, because what you're going to do here, let's get rid of this, and we're going to choose responsive video again, drop that just there. Okay, we're going to paste in the URL of the YouTube video of that particular template that we got from Videze. Okay, this template. Obviously, you need to upload it to YouTube. So once that's done, down here, we can probably get rid of this. We can get rid of that, and we need just to have a simple buy button. So scroll up, go to buttons, drag one of these buttons across. Okay, we're gonna center it, and we can change the style as well. So let's have a look at number. Okay, I think number 3 is probably all right. So add to cart. All right, now when you click on this add to cart, you can change the writing there. So just click on link settings. You can change the writing to buy now or whatever you want to write. Now in here, you would need to go to PayPal, okay, and you need to create a button for, I don't know, $5 or $10, however much, and then they'll give you a link to that button, and that's the link that you need to put in there. Don't press new window or whatever. Now, obviously, when you make a button inside of PayPal, you need to make sure that you name it. Okay, so button number 1 would correspond to, for example, this video. Button number 2, link number 2 in PayPal would correspond to this video. Link number 3 or button number 3 would correspond to this video, so you know which video to be sending to your customers later. Right, so once you've done that, just click on Save Changes. Okay, we can close this down now. And then click on the light box that we just created. It's usually going to be one right at the very top. And click Save Event. Close that now. Now, once you've populated all of these videos, what you're going to do is we're going to just duplicate these below. Okay. So they're going to go. Okay, they are going to be next to each other. So let me just get rid of these first. I think I did it wrong. Okay, this bit here, we're going to duplicate. There we go. So then you go ahead, you do this for every one of these columns, and you put a different video in each one of these boxes, and each one of these boxes are going to open up in a new event with a new light box. Okay, so by the time you finish, you probably have, I don't know, 50 or something videos in there. It's going to take a little bit of time to do. Once you've done it, simply click on Save, and I'll show you how this is going to work now when I preview it. Okay, so they can play the video inside of there, have a little sneak preview, and then when they click on View, it's going to open up in a light box, and it's going to be able to enable them to buy it right there and then. Okay, so that's basically how it's going to work, and that's going to happen for all of the videos that you got on there. All right, once you're happy with this site, and I know it's going to take at least 4 or 5 hours to put together, probably longer, but it's going to be worth it. Once you've done that, okay, you're going to go across to Fiverr, okay, and you're going to search for social bookmarks. Okay, now what these are they're very cheap backlinks. Now, just have a look through. Some of these are kind of country specific. You don't really need country specific ones. Probably something like this one would be all right. So you just buy that, and then you'd give them your domain name, which we bought earlier. Okay, you'd give them that domain name and tell them to send those links to your domain name. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing now, is a simplified version of tiered link building. So the first step of this is to do these social bookmarks. The second step is what's called Web 2.0 backlinks. So if you go to a site here called Conquer, Konker.io, it's a bit like Fiverr, but it's more professional, more specific for SEO stuff. So Web 2.0 backlinks. Okay, just do a search. This one would be all right. You could buy that one. 20 quality Web 2.0, that might be all right. $12. Again, do the same thing. Give them your website name, your domain name. Tell them to send it there. This one's actually pretty good as well. I've used this guy before, and he's got a ton of good feedback. Okay, after you've done that, then you need to go to PBN links. Now, these are the bad boys. This is what's going to push your site to #1, but you need to do those other things first as well. Now, there's a guy on here called Hatred, and he has the best PBN links in the business. And he's usually on the front page, although I can't see him here. Usually he is. This dude. Okay, now his links are the best, but they are also quite expensive. It's $200. But and he'll be able to tell you, whether you can rank your site or not. But just looking at the Google search before, because there's already YouTube videos on the front page of Google, it means it's going to be easy to rank your site. So those are the ones that I recommend. There are cheaper ones as well, and by all means, have a look around. Now, this will take probably around 30 to 60 days to take effect. So don't expect to get on the first page of Google straight away. SEO is a timely process, but it's something that is going to be there for a long time. And once your site is on the first page of Google, you'll be getting a ton of organic traffic and a ton of sales, and you won't have to do any advertising. This will be your only investment. So that's basically all you need to do. Just make your site as nice as you can. When you're building up this website that you've made, make it look as professional as you can. You can change the background, you can change these thumbnails, change the colors, just make it look really nice and professional, and then get it ranked on Google using those methods that I just walked you through. And that's it. Best of luck to you. Okay, I'll speak to you in the next bonus. Take care.